behind. I was staying out of the water, found a dying Caroline. She told me stories of New England, about the winters in Rhode Island. When she'd think of the ones she left there, she'd cover her eyes, fake a smile. Valentina, where'd you come from? Tell me something I don't know. Valentina, where'd you come from? Valentina, where'd you go? She was married in New York City, married on the Brooklyn Bridge. There was no preacher, there were no diamonds, soon there was no her and him. She was single in Arizona, watched the summers burn in Maine. She said if I ever came up with her, I'd never want to come home again. Valentina, where'd you come from? Tell me something I don't know. Valentina, where'd you come from? Valentina, where'd you go? When the music started playing, she stood and got me by the hand. She pulled me over through all the lovers, and she taught me how to dance. She was leaving in the morning, I was holding a broken heart. So we wasted all of